Hi, do you know what happens to our food when you cook food in an iron vessel or iron kadhai? So, when you cook food in an iron vessel, the iron from the vessel goes into your food, and this is the best thing because it helps to increase our iron in our blood. So, some research study shows that when you cook food which are more sour and acidic in nature in iron vessel, more iron goes into our food. So, if you are someone having iron deficiency anemia, then you should use this trick while cooking the food. Also, don't forget to add iron rich food into your diet, which are in caption. Thank you.